Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Chainlink node monitoring dashboards for reliability. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Chainlink node dashboard through your web browser. Log in with your credentials to ensure you have administrative access. Open the monitoring tool that integrates with your Chainlink node. Check the existing dashboards to identify any current issues or areas for improvement. Review the metrics currently monitored on the dashboard. Consider adding metrics that directly impact reliability, such as uptime, job completion rates, and response times. Ensure that all graphs and charts are clearly labeled for easy interpretation. Select the option to customize the dashboard layout. Drag and drop the relevant widgets onto your dashboard. Arrange these widgets in a logical manner for at-a-glance visibility. Adjust the time range settings to show metrics that reflect performance over the past week or month. Incorporate alert systems for key metrics that fall below a defined threshold. Set up notifications to be sent via email or messaging app for any reliability issues. Regularly review the configuration of your data sources to ensure they are correctly integrated. Conduct a test run of the dashboard after updates to confirm that all metrics are displaying correctly. Collect feedback from team members who use the dashboard regularly. Make any necessary adjustments based on user feedback. Monitor the performance of your updated dashboard over time. Continue to refine and update your dashboard as the requirements of your Chainlink node evolve. Document the changes made to the dashboard for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.